In front of me is 3 random Minecraft players. When you press the right button, you're either gonna get a challenge or win 100,000.
My God!
What? Who wants to press?
Come on.
I'm finding this diamond.
Kill the chicken. Okay, bet.
You're probably thinking, this
Has to be with 1,000. Got it so quick too. Running.
Oh my God.
nice.
That seems messy.
This is actually kind of a tough challenge.
Second.
So Grady, you can press the button again, or you can just wait for other people to press it.
I'm pressing it.
Round. Chat, I want you to yell as you fall. What would you spend the 100 grand on?
Say lifetime supply.
There's so much health left. Probably gave you a sword in the chest somewhere. You know, right beside the car.
Ooh. Okay.
Beautiful steak.
I'm almost done.
Blowing up the house.
It's
It's just as fun.
Minecraft. It's okay.
Die.
Can you punch me?
I'm gonna go to.
All right, look, Gracie. Keep seeing the notification that you fucked this bad.
I believe. Yes!
Oh, you did it! Life.
What is?
So that it takes less time to damage.
How many ways have you died?
I don't have patience.
Give you a little pat on the back.
Oh,
I've touched many clouds.
I hope you know that.
Like if I don't have.
how's beating going?
It's running away. A few more hits.
Oh, your chicken's running away.
Yes.
There we go.
That took. Oh, this might.
Say it's one luck.
You just.
Jimmy, I think she needs a second obsidian.
I know.
Yeah, I'll go get one. Right back.
4 minutes. One. Okay. There.
I think we have go.
This might be the 100,000 right here. God.
You know what? Sometimes don't come easy.
Grady, what does this remind you of? Remind you of GX? The Granite customization with GX mod. Click wait. Even made a bezel paper that read your mouse. You move it.
Whoa, you're making
It's an incredible easy to import from your current browser. There's no reason to not switch. Simply go to the description and latest Mr. Beast. Never miss one of our. You're doing the challenge. The ad read.
Go to me, dear.
It's other people.
Okay.
My God, you're so close.
This.
Bro, there's trouble.
Yes, it is. Yes. Feels great.
A little bit. Oh, please.
Oh, you're almost.
Jimmy, they don't do it. Come here, buddy.
Could catch up with each other.
Okay. Oh my God.
I will be honest. We are.
Oh.
What are you with this next set of presses?
Nerve-wracking.
Who's gonna press it next?
Not it.
Do I press it?
Have anything that would speed up this process?
Passed like 30 times.
You're no way. Where are you for a second, so?
Next press is 100 G's.
I think it's an IRL challenge. We used to flat out to do jumping jacks or put any shirts on.
X marks the spot. If I was an X that marked the spot, where would I be?
1, 2, 3.
I love how she's doing it right by the button.
Please, where is this thing? Oh,
Oh my God! What?
Yes!
Marky, you.
You had to try to get to the lever.
I've hit the button. I'm gonna do it.
Oh my! So close!
Corey, we're gonna give each of you $10,000 as well.
Oh my God! What?
Goodbye.